What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another adventure with the Bearded Bobber. I'm bearded. Okay, let's stop right there. Alright, hold on. She's the bobber. Alright. So my best thing in my mouth is dry. I'm sorry. Also, I stopped at the bearded part for a reason. I'm going to be trimming my beard. Like tonight. I was gonna do a couple more weeks possibly, but I'm over this shit. I really like my beard. I'm only gonna trim it a little bit, but I have a modular helmet and it was getting stuck all day today inside my helmet pieces, which it hasn't done in a while. Oh man, I was getting over it. So I'm gonna get a nice healthy trim, clean up. Nothing too crazy. Still bearded. Still on the bobber. Also, man, I don't know. Let me know if you guys have had this happen. I had it happen to me when I had long hair. Look at Bombshell. Look at her go. Look at her go. With her hair all in a braid, not giving a care in the world about what I have to say. Just kidding. She cares. Oh, I love this bike. Now, back to what I was saying. Probably need to braid the damn thing. But my beard goes on the side of my neck and whips me good. So good. No, I'm just, okay, alright, a little much. Chill. There's children in the room. But seriously, I feel like my dad said, get the paddle, you know? Or like his grandparents said, get the switch. Get one of them thin, mean sticks. And it's just whip on my neck. And with that long trip to Laughlin coming up soon, it's going to be warm. I'm not going to be able to wear my mask. So I'm trimming this bitch. Ugh. I figured you guys would want to know that. In the latest entry of the Bearded Diaries. He trimmed too much. Too much beard. Not enough bobber. Alright, now I'm just getting too much fun. I thought you guys would want to know that. So, yeah. Alright, my bearded brothers. Has this shit happened to you? I was like I said, when I had long hair, it happened. Oh man, I was riding other bikes. She was getting jealous. All right, well guys, I need to wrap this up. Oh, but I'd take you along for my silly ass adventure. So there we go. All right, you guys, stay safe and keep it stay classy. I know, stay classy. Oh shit. Alright guys.